When you're in the restoration business, there is no such thing as a normal day. We cannot predict when a person's toilet valve breaks, water heater overflows, something catches on fire, and then of course natural disasters. We can't ever predict any of those things. This is not just a job, this is a person's house, this is where they live, this is their stuff that we're going in and having to take care of, maybe even throw away.
Morning.
My name is Tiffany Fontana and I am part of Rainbow International of Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Rainbow International is a restoration and remediation company. We specialize in water, fire, smoke, mold, damage, and remediation.
Rainbow International of Baton Rouge, this is Tiffany. How can I help you?
At any point, a person can call our phone number and they will be connected to somebody in our company. Sometimes these calls happen in the middle of the night, and so when a person's pipe breaks and there's water pouring into their house, they need somebody to come in and get that water out as quickly as possible, and so our guys will be out there 2 o'clock in the morning if needed.
I figured we were gonna get 7, 8 inches, you know. Water started getting in, it came across here. It actually came from 2 ways. It came in 2 different ways. And when the 2 waters met, it knocked me down. It was like whitewater rapids. I couldn't stand up in. We ended up with 32 inches.
32
inches. All my windows were aquariums for 3 months. Water was about right here.
Thanks to Rainbow Restoration, we hit the ground running with this project.
The guys and girls that work for Rainbow International, they all have certifications. We are constantly looking to have them educated, certified in everything that we do. But the most important thing for me is that you're going into a person's house, you have to have a good relationship with them. And that's what we try to fulfill at Rainbow.
We had several of the buildings flood. They flooded over a series of days, and immediately I call Rainbow and I say, I've got 4 inches of water in this house, you know, what can you do? And he sent his guys out immediately, and they got the vacuum things and sucked out all the water, and they put the dehumidifiers in there. So I was very pleased with it.
It's good when you have a good rapport with people, that it's not just a business relationship, that you've developed a friendship ultimately, and that they find that they can trust somebody.
My name is Jake Zarino. I am the general manager at a student housing complex in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. For me, it just really comes down to the relationship. Working with Tiffany has been really beneficial because she brings just a personal touch to the services, and we definitely want to provide the experience that someone is checking into a luxury option. Quality is something that is extremely important in all of the work we do, and something we demand out of all of our vendors like Rainbow International. So when someone walks into their new apartment here, we want them to feel as though they're walking into a brand new apartment that's going to be their home for at least the next year and hopefully for the next several. And Rainbow's never let us down.
Our motto at Rainbow International is happily even after. We are there to make it the way it was before, but hopefully better. It's very rewarding. It's very satisfying to see them happy and them comfortable and back to their normal. We all go through disaster, but we're still here. We're still strong and we're still happy.
So I think that the motto, happily even after, definitely fits. Fortunately for our residents, they get to experience the after part.
I'm happily even after.
We are happily even after.
And that's why Rainbow International is here. We're here to help people.